Now, this is K. Himaja, lecturer in EEE department, working in SRRS Government Polytechnic Sirisilla. Now, this part 10 presents the type of wiring and service mains used for irrigation pump set, various materials required for irrigation pump set installation, and estimating their approximate cost. So, the objectives of this part 10 is type of wiring and service mains used for irrigation pump set, various materials required for irrigation pump set installation, calculation of materials required and estimating their approximate cost, preparing the estimate for electrifying an irrigation pump set, preparing the estimate for electrifying an submersible irrigation pump set. 11 kV by 400 volt plinth mounted transformer. Type of wiring and service mains used for irrigation pump set. Surface metal conduit wiring and ICTP mains are used for installation of irrigation pump set. Current rating of ICTP depends upon full load current of motor. Size of conduit depends on the size of cable and number of wires run through it. Next, materials used in execution of irrigation pump set installation. Cable size depends on full load current of pump motor. Length of cable and conduit depends on dimensions of pump set. 7x20 SWG ALWP twin core cable is used for connection of supply from nearby the pole to pump motor. The service cable length depends on the distance of its pole from pump set. So, the other materials required are ICTP mains, 500 volt, suitable amperage, 1 number, suitable starter, means here using starter delta starter 1, single phase preventer 1 number, metal conduit 1 number, indicating lamps 3, metal flexible conduit, panel board 50 into 30 into 21, angle iron frame 50 into 30 into 20 centimeter 1 number, 8 SWG earth wire, salt and coal 20 kg, ammeter 0 to 25 amps 1 number, voltmeter 0 to 500 volt 1 number, cement 2 kg, danger plate 1 number. Next one, material specification and quantity. 1 serial number 1 32 amp 500 volt ICTPN with fuse units 1 number. (32 amps 500 volt star to delta starter 1 number). Single phase preventer 1 number. Panel board 50 into 30 into 20 1 number. 25.4 mm metal conduit. Location of pump depends on 25.4 mm metal flexible conduit 1 meter. Copper cable. Location of pump depends on 1 square mm copper cable for indicator pumps. Lamps 2 meter. Angle iron frame 50 into 30 centimeter 1 number. 8 SWG earth wire 30 meter. Salt and coal 20 kg. Ammeter 0 to 25 amps 1 number. Voltmeter 0 to 500 volt 1 number. Cement 2 kg. Danger plate 1 number. So 15 materials are required for irrigation pump set installation with danger plate include. Now the procedure for calculation of labor cost. Electrician charges plus helper charges into number of days. This is the labor cost. Next one. For agriculture pump set, model plan of irrigation pump set. So door SP 5 kilowatt pump 2 meter, 1 meter, 4 meter and 1 meter. Layout of pump shed and LT pole. Now LT pole, SP, MP, well. Here the total distance from LT pole to SP is 15 meter. Now this is the MP. SP switchboard. LT pole to take the wires directly to here. Now this is the layout of pump shed and LT pole. Next one, position of panel board and switchboard. Here switchboard means switchboard for single phase preventer and starter ICTPN. Okay, so what is the distance height from the ground? Next, what is the distance between roof and the ground? Switchboard distance. These are the important things for calculation of wire. Calculation of estimation cost of the wires. So here now, this is from the ground to height of the roof is 3.5 meter. Next, ICTPN to roof is 1.5 meter. HR to ground is 3 meter. Using starter is star to delta starter here. Run the motor initially in star connection. Once the motor is started, place in delta connection because initially takes a very high current. Now following assumptions are made for estimation. Now following assumptions are made for estimation. Efficiency is 85% and operating power factor is 0.8. Distance of LT pole from SB of pump motor is 15 meter. Height of roof in the pump shed is 3.5 meter from the ground. Height of panel board and switchboard is 1.5 meter from ground. Height of HR is 3.0 meter. Now, efficiency is 85% and operating power factor is 0.8. So, the power factor is as high as possible. If less than 0.8, then the cost per unit is very high. To overcome these difficulties, place capacitors across the pump set to improve the power factor. Efficiency also above 85% we can expect. Means we have to minimize the losses. Losses are as low as possible. Distance of LT pole from SB of pump motor is 15 meter. Next 3.5 meter. Height of panel board and switchboard is 1.5 meter from the ground. Height of HR is 3.0 meter. So here distance of LT pole from SB of pump motor is 15 meter. So the second point, here the distance of LT pole from SB to is 15 meter. Is 15 meter. Next one, height of roof in pump shed is 3.5 meter from the ground. Here 3.5 meter. Just you check this value, 3.5 meter from the ground. Next one, height of panel board and switchboard is 1.5 meter from the ground. 1.5 meter from the ground. Height of HR is 3.0 meters. Now assume 3.0 meters. So one is 3.5 meter, 1.5 meter, 3 meter. Distance of LT pole from SB of pump motor is 15 meter. Efficiency is 85% and operating power factor is 0.8. Now, a simple wiring diagram of pump set. Here ICTPN, RYPN, single phase preventer, start to delta starter pump motor, indicating lamps. RYBN, red, yellow, blue, neutral. 3-phase supply is connecting to ICTPN. Next from ICTPN to supply to ICTPN. Next, from each phase, from ICTPN R to 3-phase single phase preventer. Each phase is connecting. Similarly, Y, B and N. All are connected to single phase single phase preventer with lamps. Means the supply is on, means the lights will glow. Off means there is no supply, means the lights are not glowing. So name as indicating lamps. So from this connecting to single phase preventer to starter, delta starter. Next to pump motor. Here initially star. Once the motor reaches to rated speed, place connecting in delta connection. Delta connection. Why we are connecting in star? Initially the heavy current flows in the circuit. Because in star connection, I phase is equal to IL. So to overcome this heavy current, run the motor initially in star. Once the connections are reaches to the rated speed, place in delta connection. Now pump motor. This is the procedure of wiring diagram of pump set. So from the 3-phase supply to single phase preventer with lamps. From the single phase preventer to starter, delta starter. From the starter, delta starter to pump motor. Next one, a simple problem on pump set. So size of wire, cable, full load current of motor is equal to kilowatt into 1000 by root 3 into V into power factor into efficiency. 5 into 1000 by root 3 into 400 into 0.8 into 0.85. 10.61 amps. Because the power factor is 0.8, efficiency 0.85 and the motor is 5 kilowatt motor. So total the value becomes 10.61 amps. Next one, starting current of motor is equal to 2 into 10.61 amps, 21.22 amps. So 3.0 square mm copper conductor is suitable. 1.0 square mm copper cable is suitable for indicating lamps. Size of conduit. 6 wires are run from the star to delta starter to motor terminals. Hence 25.4 mm heavy gauge metal conduit is used. Here 10.61 amps. Starting current is 2 to 3 times the full load current. For any machine, the starting current is 2 to 3, digit 2 to 3 times the full load current. Here approximately take the value as 2. So 2 into 10.61 is equal to 21.22 amps. So to withstand for this high current ratings of motor, pump set, the 6 wires are run from the starter delta starter to motor terminals, and also 25.4 mm means you can imagine heavy gauge means to withstand for these high currents 25.4 mm heavy gauge metal conduit is using. So length of conduit on the roof 2 meter. Next, length from SB to motor base 1.5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 10.5 meter. Total length 2 plus 10.5 is equal to 12.5 meter plus 10% wastage. 12.5 plus 1.25 13.75 meter 14 meter. Length of 3 square mm 1 core cable. Length from ICTP to starter 0.5 into 3 1.5 meter. Starter to motor terminals 1.5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 0.75 into 6 11.25 into 6 67.5 meter. Total cable length wastage 1.5 plus 67.5 is equal to 69 meter plus 15% wastage is equal to 79.35 meter 80 meter. Length of 1.0 square mm cable. 1 square mm cable used for indicating lamps 2 meter. Length of service cable means length of 7 by 20 SWG aluminum WP twin core cable used for connecting the LT pole to SP of pump set. 15 plus 2 into 2 34 meter plus 15% for sag and end connections is equal to 39.1 meter is equal to 39 meter. 0.1 is very much smaller, so negotiable. So the value becomes 39 meter. 8 SWG earth wire. It is connected from ICTP to motor metal parts length 1.5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 15 plus 2 28.5 meter is equal to 30 meter. So schedule of materials for pump set 32 amp 500 volt ICTPN with fuse units number 1 32 amp 500 volt starter delta starter 1 number. Single phase preventer 1 number. Panel board 50 into 30 into 20 1 number. To 25.4 mm metal conduit 14 meter. 25.4 mm metal flexible conduit 1 meter. Three square mm copper cable 80 meter. 1 square mm copper cable 2 meter. Angle iron frame 50 into 30 centimeter 1 number. 8 SWG earth wire 30 meter. Salt and coal 20 kg. Ammeter 0 to 25 amps 1 number. Voltmeter 0 to 500 volt 1 number. Three square mm copper cable 80 meter. 3 square mm copper cable 80 meter. 1 square mm copper cable 2 meter. 3 square mm copper cable 80 meter. 1 square mm copper cable 2 meter. Copper cable 2 meter. Labor cost means already this equation over electrician charges plus helper charges into number of days. So now this is the material required of irrigation pump set. So what are the materials required? And the material specifications and also the labor cost are calculated. Now submersible pump set installation, same procedure. Submersible pump set. So model layout of submersible pump motor. LT pole is located at a distance of 8 meter from SP of pump motor. Size of pump shed is 2.5 meter into 3.0 meter. Submersible pump motor is at a distance of 2 meter from SP at a depth of 30 meter from ground level. Rating of selected motor is 3-phase 415 volt 50 Hz 7.5 HP. Efficiency 85% and power factor is 0.9. Here the important points are 7.5 HP. 1 HP is equal to 735.5 watts. Before pump set 5 HP. Efficiency is same 85%. Next here in this case the operating power factor is 0.9. Before case 0.8. 7.5 HP instead of 5 HP. 85% is same. Instead of 0.8, now in this case the assume the power factor is 0.9. Size of pump shed is 2.5 into 3.0 meter. Next 2 meter, 30 meter. These are the, you remember. Next one. Now this is the layout of submersible pump set LT pole and tub well. Now here the distance of submersible pump motor is at a distance of 2 meter. You see this one, 2 meter. submersible pump motor is at a distance of 2 meter. Next one, ICTPN SB for single phase preventer and starter, position of panel board and switchboard. So now the height of the roof from the ground is 3.5 meter. Next, the HR is 3 meter and ICTPN to HR is 1.5 meter. Next one, wiring diagram of pump set. RYB. Here pump set means submersible pump set installation. So ICTPN RYBN single phase preventer direct online starter. So here the configuration shows the from RYB to N also to ICTPN input, from ICTPN output to single phase preventer R, Y, B and N. Next, for each phase they are placing lamps, means the circuit is in running condition, the lamps will glow, otherwise the lamps will not glow. Next one, from single phase preventer to direct online starter. Before case they are using starter delta starter, now in this case they are using the direct online starter. Next one, so from here direct online starter to pump motor is here 2 meter and 30 meter width. So this is the wiring diagram of pump set. Size of wire and cable, size of wire or cable, same as usual previous procedure. Full load current of the motor is equal to, according to the efficiency means output by input. Output means 5 HP. Here they are using 7.5 HP motor. Input is √3 VLIL cos phi. We have to calculate the current. So power is equal to efficiency IL is equal to output by √3 V into power factor into efficiency. So 7.5 into 735.5 by √3 into 415 into 0.9 into 0.85. So finally we got to 10.03 amps, approximately 10 amps. Next one, starting current of motor is equal to 2 times 10 into 0.3 amps is equal to 20.06 amps. Here starting current is 2 to 3 times the full load current. Here we are assuming the value as 2 times. So multiplied with 2. Next one, 2.5 square mm copper conductor is suitable. 1 square mm copper cable is suitable for indicating lamps. Size of conduit, 3 wires are run from the direct online starter to motor terminals. 19 mm heavy gauge metal conduit is used. Here 7.5 HP they are using. convert from horsepower to kilowatts. Means 1 horsepower is equal to 735.5 watts. So multiplied by 735.5. Finally, we got 10.03 amps. But here 2 to 3 times the full load current. So 2 times. The value is approximately 20.06 amps. Means assume 20 amps. So 2.5 square mm copper conductor is suitable. 1 square mm is suitable for indicating lamps. 3 wires are run from the direct online starter to motor terminals. 3 wires means RYB. RYB. Hence 19 mm heavy gauge metal conduit is used. 19 mm because the current is 20.6 amps. 20.6 amps. Next one, length of conduit. .4 mm metal conduit on the roof is equal to 2 meter. 19 mm metal conduit. Length from SB to motor base 1.5 plus 2, 2.5 meter. Total length 3.5 plus 10% wastage means 4 meter. 7 by 1.27 mm WP cable. Length from ICTP to starter 0.5 into 3, 1.5 meter. Starter to motor terminals 1.5 plus 2 plus 30 into 3, 100.5 meter. Total cable length 100.5 plus 1.5 plus 15% wastage is equal to 102 meter plus 15% wastage 120 meter. Next one, length of 1 square mm cable. 1 square mm cable used for indicating lamps 2 meter. Length of service cable. So length of 7 by 20 SWG ALWP twin core cable used for connecting the LT pole to SB of pump shed. 8 plus 2 into 2 is equal to 20 meter plus 15% for sag and end connection. 23 meter total. 8 SWG earth wire. It is connected from ICTP to motor metal parts length is equal to 10 plus 3.5 plus 2 plus 30 plus 15% for sag and end connections means 50 meter. So here the length of 1 square mm cable is 2 meter. 7 by 20 wire 23 meter. 8 SWG earth wire. For calculation of sag and end connections, this required is 50 meter. So next one, estimation of materials, material specifications and quantities. So material specification and quantity. 32 amp 500 volt ICTPN with fuse units number 1. 32 amp 500 volt direct online delta starter 1 number. Single phase preventer 1 number, 25.4 mm metal conduit 2 meters, 19 mm metal conduit 4 meters, 2.5 square mm copper cable 120 meters, 1 square mm copper cable 2 meter, panel board 50 into 30 into 20 1 number. So you remember ICTPN with fuse units as 1, direct online starter 1 number, preventer 1 number, 25.4 mm metal conduit 2 meter, 19 mm 4 meter, 2.5 square mm copper cable 120 meter, 1 square mm copper cable 2 meter, panel board 1 number. And also continuation. Angle iron frame 50 into 30 into 20 centimeter 1 number. 8 SWG earth wire 50 meter. Salt and coal 20 kg. Ammeter 0 to 25 amps 1 number. Voltmeter 0 to 500 volt 1 number. Cement 2 kg. Danger plate 1 number. Next one, labor cost calculation. Electrician charges plus helper charges into number of days. 150 plus 60 is equal to 210 rupees. Now, we have discussed about preparing the estimate for electrifying an irrigation pump set. Preparing the estimate for electrifying an submersible irrigation pump set. Irrigation pump set and submersible irrigation pump set. For both of these, we are studied the single layout diagram, estimation cost, material required, labor cost and specifications. Now, the frequently asking important questions are: prepare the quantity estimate required for installation of an irrigation pump set in pump shed of size 4 meter into 3.5 meter into 3.5 meter. Take the power rating of pump motor is 10 HP, 440 volt, 50 Hz, and the distance of LT pole is 15 meter. Next one, prepare the quantity estimate required for installation of submersible pump set. Pump shed dimensions are 4 meter into 3.5 meter into 3.5 meter. Take the power rating of pump motor is 5 HP and the distance of switchboard from LT pole 10 meter and 2 meter from tube well. Assume the depth of tube well is 25 meter from ground level. So, Now, what are the objectives? We are covered this part 10. The type of wiring and service mains used for irrigation pump set. This is the first objective. Second objective is various materials required for irrigation pump set installation. Third one, the third objective is calculation of materials required and estimating their approximate cost. Means we are placing, I explained in the boxes. Next, fourth objective, preparing the estimate for electrifying an irrigation pump set. Next, the last objective, preparing the estimate for electrifying an submersible irrigation pump set. So for each one, we are calculated the full load current rating of the motor, so according to the formula, efficiency means output by input. The first one, and also calculate the labor cost. Labor cost means electrician charges plus helper charges into number of days. So in the agriculture pump set, using the 5 kilowatt pump motor, in submersible pump set using 7.5 HP. So for calculation of current, 1 HP equals to 735.5 watts. So for each one, so efficiency is 85% and operating power factor is 0.8 is assumed for case 1. So the distance is LT pole from SB of pump motor is assuming 15 meter. Height of the roof is 3.5 meter. Height of HR is 3.0 meter. So the size of conduit for pump set, agriculture pump set is using as 25.4 mm heavy gauge metal conduit is used of 6 wires. So for each one, the problem is calculated. What is the according to the distance and everything. Similarly, submersible pump set, the rating for the second case, the HP is assuming as 7.5 HP, efficiency 85% and operating power factor is 0.9 assuming. So for this case also using 19 mm heavy gauge metal conduit is using, and the full load current of motor is 10.03 amps and starting current of the motor is 20.06 amps. The total cable length is 120 meters we got after calculation. So 8 SWG earth wire is required is 50 meter. Length of service cable is 23 meter. Length of 1 square mm cable required is 2 meter. And for submersible pump set also, the material specifications and quantity are mentioned. Total 15 items are required, include with danger plate. And also calculated the labor cost. We got 210 rupees, means electrician charges plus helper charges into number of days. So these are the important questions. They will ask what is the cost required for submersible pump set or agriculture pump set. Any questions we can expect essay questions. Thank you. And also one more thing. So now I take these notes from Srinivas Rao sir, lecturer in electrical engineering, GPT for women, Kakinada, working in.